Unlocking English Contractions. Master your conversation skills. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to delve into a vital part of English pronunciation, contractions. Contractions are a natural part of English speech, and understanding and using them effectively can drastically improve your listening and speaking skills. Today's focus is on role plays and dialogues with contractions, where we'll engage in fun activities and exercises to practice this essential skill. So, let's get started. Contractions are shortened forms of words or phrases. For example, do not becomes don't, and I will turns into I'll. They're used frequently in spoken and written English, making your language sound more natural and fluent. It's crucial not only to recognize contractions but also to use them in your conversations. Now, let's put this into practice. Here's a friendly chat between two friends in a coffee shop. Pay attention to how contractions are used throughout their conversation. John, I'll have a cappuccino, please. Kate, you're really into coffee, aren't you? John, yeah, I can't start my day without it. As you can see, John uses I'll instead of I will, and can't instead of cannot. Kate uses you're and aren't instead of you are and are not. Let's move to another dialogue. This time, it's a conversation about weekend plans. Amy, I'm thinking about going to the beach this weekend. Ben, that's a great idea. I'd love to join. Amy, wonderful. It's been ages since we've had a beach day. Notice the contractions. I am. That is. I would. And we have. Role-playing is an effective way to practice and improve your use of contractions. Create scenarios with a partner and practice using contractions in your dialogues. You can use the dialogues we discussed as a starting point. This will help you familiarize yourself with contractions, and before you know it, they will become a natural part of your English speech. Listening to native speakers is another great way to pick up contractions. Watch English movies, listen to songs or podcasts, and pay attention to the contractions used. Try to repeat what they say, and focus on using contractions in your sentences. So, that's it for today's lesson on using contractions in English. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering any language skill. So, keep practicing these dialogues and role plays until using contractions becomes second nature to you. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, happy learning!